In this guide, we are going over the very best build here in Sailor Peace after the latest update. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, right now, melee and sword builds are the meta, and by far the best melee in the entire game is Strongest Shinobi. It has the highest damage in the game right now, it has fast attacks, and it's great for bosses and farming. It works the very best with the Warlord race, so I would recommend having that. Now, it does have slightly longer cooldowns, but it is still top tier. Other good options are going to be Blessed Maiden still, because it's faster and easier, but it is a lot more position-based. And you also have Anos, which gives you high burst damage and AoE, but way slower animations. If you have the ability to get Strongest Shinobi, I would go ahead and start with that. Now, the best sword right now in the entire game is going to be Atomic. It is the best pick right now. It does have high damage, big AoE skills. It has invincibility frames, which is super convenient. The only downside is it has long animations and a very long grind if you do want to get it. Some other solid swords are like the Abyssal Empress, the Yamato, the Shadow Monarch, and the True Eisen is pretty good as well. But if you combine like the Strongest Shinobi melee with the Atomic Sword, and then of course from here you have like the Eminence Clan, this will give you the biggest and highest damage and fast farming that you can get in the game, making it by far one of the strongest builds out there right now. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.